Having issues receiving calls on your Samsung Galaxy A54? Don't worry, there are a few effective troubleshooting tips you can try. Solution 1. Check for network coverage issues. Weak cellular signals can prevent call connections on your device. Here's what you must do. 1. Open Settings and go to Connections. Then Mobile Networks. 2. Ensure you see several bars for signal strength. If not, move closer to a window and check if reception improves. Solution 2. Restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your Galaxy A54 can refresh connections and get calling working properly again. Here's how to restart. 1. Turn off your phone completely. 2. After 30 seconds, turn it back on and wait as it powers up and reconnects. 3. Check if calls now connect successfully. Solution 3. Clear cache and data partition. Clearing temporary memory and data can fix underlying glitches affecting calling functionality. Here is how to wipe the caches. 1. With your A54 powered off, press and hold the volume up key and power key together until you see the recovery menu. 2. Use volume keys to scroll to Wipe Cache Partition and select with power button. Solution 4. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Sometimes removing and reinserting the SIM card can reset network registration. Here's how. 1. Turn off your phone, eject SIM card tray, and take out the SIM. 2. Inspect for any dust or damage and gently wipe with cloth. 3. Insert SIM card back into the tray and replace, then power phone on. 4. Check if this fixes your calling issues.